YouTube, what's going on? All right, today we are going to install a BMS clutch stop in my good old M2C. So got the package right here. I'm gonna open it up real quick. Here's how it looks. So you got a total of 1, 2, 3, and one hard plastic one. So you got 3 rubber grommets and then 1 hard plastic one, and then the rubber one right here, which is the stop, because this goes in there this way and the pedal hits the back of this. Now you're probably wondering, why do I have gloves on? Well, I was doing some bumper work because the old lip was it came off, but there was still some stuff under, so didn't want to dirty up my hands. Tired of I already get them dirty enough at work. So but yeah, that's why I got these on. But here is the BMS clutch stop. Pretty nice piece. Now they use a high quality pin, it looks like, something like a plastic sort type deal that you can probably pick up at a hardware store. But nonetheless, I like this. I had this on my G80 M3 and it worked perfect. What it does is, excuse me, is when you step on the clutch, it's less clutch travel versus, you know, on your stock one. I'm gonna pull it off here in a second. You got to go all the way down. So in a sense, it's like it's not having a short shifter, but it is like having a short shifter. It's lesser clutch pedal travel. So it's not a short shifter per se on the actual shift knob, but it is a less of a clutch pedal travel when using this. Do mind the little spectacles under there. Not too dirty, but could be vacuumed just a little bit more. Anywho, the clutch stop is all the way back here. All right, you see that? That is the good old clutch stop, the original one, which is that little white one that is tiny, right? So you're gonna locate it back there, and it's that white piece that I have it shined on. Probably really bright because the light's shining on it. Right there. Can y'all see it? Right there. That white little knob right there. Pointing to it right there on my pinky. Sucks it ain't focusing, but hopefully y'all can see me try and focus it. Right there. Right there, pointing to it. That is the good old clutch stop. You're literally just going to pull it out. So let me try and pull it out if I can at this angle. Right there. Keep this out of the way. You can push it out with the back of your finger and it should come out just like that. And here you go. Knock this thing away. This is what it looks like right here. So let's go grab the other one. In comparison, you can see it. Look at the difference. So you're gonna have much less of a clutch pedal travel with the BMS clutch stop versus the OEM, which is the little white one right here. All right, so we're gonna put this in and test it out. All right, so again, come down here, right there. See that hole right there? That is where you're gonna put in the new clutch stop. Ooh, right in that hole, right there. Just put that in there, like so. Twist it in, right. All right. Once it's installed, should look like this. See that? You want to make sure it's flush, because if it's not flush, it might fall off. And I'll put my finger to show you it's flush. You just twist it in all the way till it gets to the end, and that's it. That's how you do it. I could not video it with one hand while doing this. I mean, I probably could, but I'm also upside down. So, but yeah, that's how it looks. So go ahead and make sure y'all go and test it out, and enjoy your new BMS clutch stop. So hope y'all like this video, and I'll catch you next time. All right, y'all.